Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me one of these book type bus Tomica sets. So this one is pretty cool from Blue Tommy and is pretty much like a book, so it opens like a book and everything. And I can't really use the stand at the moment because this box is really big right here. So anyway, let's get into what review. So first up we have the picture of the actual Tomica buses, some other random bus, the pictures of the buses in real life, and then some Japanese words up here, Bus Set Series, Volume 3. And then for the spine of the so-called book, we have the buses again, Volume 3, and for the back we have another picture of the same buses. Then the warning label, Blue Tommy, then 2003. So the top of the book is just white as well as the side. And then as we open it up, we can see details about the route of the bus right here. So that's pretty cool. I'll just get my camera back out. And then on the other side right here, we can see the actual buses behind this plastic casing. So let's just put the camera down the stand and take them out. Whoops. Pretty well, quite a few layers actually, because we got plastic layer on top, and then we have the so-called pop plastic packaging style. So you just pop the bus right out, which I am trying to do without killing the plastic, which, oh yeah, here we go. Here is the Fuso Aerial Star, I should think, and then the Mitsubishi Fuso Aerial Queen. So let's go through both of them one by one. Let's start off with the Aerial Star, or so I presume. Yep, Mitsubishi Fuso Aerial Star, number 93, made in China. Right here. This one is modeled exactly after the real bus, with your, well, chrome silver 5-studded wheels, and then all our detailing on the side. Supposed to be like the real bus, with, you know, all your Japanese signs, then some pretty cool logos on the side right here, and the nice 2 yellow stripes right there. And then we also got a tiny little blue accent on the top of the roof right here, which is actually plastic, not die-cast. And on the front we have the I guess the next stop on the bus labeled, and we got some front light tampos. We also got the front bumper connected to the base plate, and for this side it's pretty much the same as the upper side, apart from there is no door and there is no door opening here. So I guess this bus is almost the same on both sides, except for the middle part of this one is just blank blue without any detailing. And then we got all our lines down here. And then moving on to the back, our lines continue around, so they go all the way around the bus, including part of the front right here. And, well, for the back, once again, we got more Japanese wordings right there. And then, you know, no number plate, no rear light tampos, but then your rear bumper, again, connected to the base plate. And, oh yes, one last thing, the windows on this bus, they aren't exactly clear, they aren't exactly dark clear, there are like some sort of purple, well, dark purple kind of color, so that's pretty interesting. And anyway, let's get on to the upper bus, which also has the same window shade, and as well we got the 5-studded chrome Tomica wheels. And what I particularly love about this bus is the use of these 2 contrasting blues. One of the really, well, more bright blue, and then a darker blue below it. See how it gives it a pretty nice effect, and really nice to look at. So, yeah. This one has what seems like, well, I guess the destination of the bus on the front right here, because there's no space at the top. And then our front bumper right here, which is metal and not connected to the base plate. We got some Japanese words on the side, airport limousine, and then our lines continue all the way around to the back, where we have actually some rear light tampos, more Japanese wording, and a big red bar across the side. So that may be a brake light, I have no idea, because I haven't seen the real version of this bus in a long time. And well, yeah. So this side right here has, I guess, pretty much the same details, airport limousine, and as you can see, there is a bit of a difference. I think this one means exit right here, even though I'm not too sure because I don't really know Japanese or Chinese for that matter. And yeah, I guess that's a pretty nice bus design, because this is one time I actually really like the bus because of the color scheme, as well as, you know, the choice of the bus that they used. So I just personally, this may actually be my favorite bus. So yep, I think that is my favorite bus. So do let me know down in the comments what you think of these two buses right here from the Volume 3 Tommy bus set. So thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.